I left it right it low.
There's a story that I love to tell.
That I love to tell.
13 weeks of misery.
13 weeks of misery.
13 weeks of hell.
13 weeks of hell.
I was.
Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Big D with Texas Tactical Tutorials again. Sorry about the long hiatus in between videos here. Kind of been down. Wife had surgery, I had surgery. In the process of buying a house. I got a lot of things going on here, but I wanted to get back into this, make a quick video on some things that I got going on. I'm going to get back into that AR series build as we were talking about it earlier in my first video. But I just thought I'd throw a quick video together today. I just picked this rifle up yesterday. It's a Marlin X7 308 Win Mag. Pretty good reviews on this rifle. For what I got it for, I couldn't complain. So I'm going to do just a quick disassembly video on this because I'm going to strip it down to bare stock. I'm going to send this stock out and have this stock. One of my buddies is going to dip this stock for me. Chuck Reedy over at C&G Hydrographics in Ucaipa, California is going to bang this out for me. Just a quick video real quick. As with any rifle, first thing we want to do here is safety function. Make sure our rifle is cleared. Visually, physically inspect the chamber. Make sure no rounds, there's no rounds. On this model, it's a bolt action. There's a quick release button here on the bolt. If you push it, the bolt comes right out. Now, I've done some quick assembly on this thing prior to this video just to speed this thing up quite a bit. So, you know, just kind of give you a heads up. Obviously, we got the bolt release. Pretty simple process here. 3 bolts hold this barrel and this receiver to the stock. You got 1 bolt here, and then you got 2 on the trigger guard there. All 3 bolts, 9/64 Allen key. So pretty basic. So all I'm going to do here is untighten this bolt here, get it going. And I already removed the scope. You can do the you can remove your scope. You know, this one happens to have Picatinny rail. I know a lot of you guys are running Weaver mounts out there or whatever, but this one just happened to have a Picatinny rail on it when I pick it up. So, and then there, those 3 bolts, remove them. Now when you remove this receiver assembly with the barrel assembly, it's got a spring in there. This got an internal magazine box on it. So watch that spring, just make sure you don't lose it. Here's my receiver. Now this does have the lightning bolt trigger, I believe it's called, on this, adjustable. So from 2.5 pounds up to impossible. So here's that spring I was talking about. It just sits in there. Like I said, not a real expensive rifle, but something I picked up for cheap, something my kids can use and I can redo and go from there. On top of that, I mean, that's it. We're down to bare stock. We got 2 bolts here in the back that hold the butt stock pad into place. Pull those off, set them down, make sure you don't lose those. You need those to reassemble that thing. And then kind of cheap baffling that came in this thing, you know, this sits inside the buttstock here to keep it from giving it that hollow sound. So I may come up with something a little later different than a piece of damn styrofoam. So, but again, just a quick disassembly video on this thing. Not real hard at all. I'll do a trigger adjustment video on this here shortly, or a couple days or so. But that's what we got, guys. Marlin X7 308 Win Mag. Again, this is Big D with Texas Tactical Tutorials. Support your military and your Second Amendment. Semper Fidelis.
Left and right, I lay you.
I left and right a little.
Left, right, I lay you.
No, right a little.
I left and right, it oh.
I left